You step on the scale and the number hasn't changed. You panic. But here's the truth. Weight loss and fat loss are not the same. And chasing the wrong one is ruining your results. Let's break it down. Weight loss includes everything: fat, muscle, water, food in your stomach. Fat loss, that's just fat. So yes, you can look leaner, feel better, and even drop a clothing size without losing a single pound. Muscle is dense, fat is fluffy. 5 pounds of muscle takes up way less space than 5 pounds of fat. So when you build muscle and lose fat at the same time, the scale might not move, but your body is transforming. Now here's where people mess up. They chase the scale, they slash calories, do hours of cardio, and yeah, they lose weight, but it's often muscle and water, not fat, and that tanks their metabolism. If you want to lose fat the right way, forget the scale for a second. Track how your clothes fit, take progress photos, watch your strength increase. That's real fat loss, and it sticks. Weight loss doesn't always mean success, but fat loss, that's the goal. Want more clear, honest fitness truths? Subscribe now.